All the Bollywood live viewers out there, today we have got a very one of my favorites. He knows that I love interviewing him, love talking, and a very very talented actor. जो इनको मुझे लगता है कि Bollywood is still not completely utilized his full potential. उनका बहुत ज़्यादा potential देखना बाकी है. Very handsome actor, heartthrob of millions, Pulkit Samrat. Welcome to Bollywood Live. Great having you.
असल तुम देखो हमारा इतना कूल रिश्ता है पर तुम मजबूर करो मुझे ये करने पे.
Yeah.
Thank you so much
अरे
for such a lovely introduction. And I don't think I'm worthy of any of it all. It's always a teamwork that actually gets me the praises. And तो जब मुझे praise नहीं मिलता तो भी मैं team पे डाल देता
ये अच्छा आइडिया है ना. प्रेज मिला तो ठीक है, प्रेज नहीं मिला तो भी ठीक है. ये अच्छा आइडिया है. Okay,
हूँ.
so Pulkit, we will be seeing you at some time on the screen because obviously हाल ही में सब कुछ theatres वगैरह बंद थे. But Tesh is looking very interesting. It is looking like a Bijoy Nambiar special, and in fact, I would say probably is looking like his best work since Shaitan. And
I was actually just gonna say that this is one of his finest that he's done so far, and his all his movies are really nice,
all movies.
really fab stuff he does. But this one is his finest, not because I'm a part of it or I'm personally involved in it and
As an
invested in it,
audience, the whole
but genuinely, it's genuinely like I think this was one of the if I would even if I was not a part of it, I would have called it one of the most good-looking teasers to come out during the lockdown.
from the trailer, we have guided it. It's a thriller. There's a lot of style in it. It's a very stylish thriller. It's a dark thriller. Twist भी होंगे शायद, लेकिन ज्यादा कुछ उसके
ये सब के लिए तुम्हें ट्रेलर थोड़ी चाहिए था. इसके लिए तो बिजॉय नाम्बियार द नेम इज इनफ to know that it's going to be stylish, edgy, and it's going to be a thriller.
लेकिन ट्रेलर देख के हमें और अंदाजा लगा नहीं कि यू नो व्हाट इज द फिल्म एक्चुअली अबाउट. सो विदाउट गिविंग अवे टू मच, give away something about the film for our audience.
Yeah, it's basically about two families which are world apart, okay, and how these two families just bang into each other because of a certain incident that happens at a wedding celebration that is going on in one of the families. That wedding plays like the catalyst to bring the two families together. And from there, everybody's lives go upside down and the revenge drama, we run into the revenge drama. And इससे ज़्यादा अगर मैं कुछ बताऊंगा तो बिजॉय मुझे बोलेगा कि यार मैं ट्रेलर में मैंने कुछ नहीं डाला और तुम सब बता जा रहे हो. So I don't want Bijoy Stash to be unleashing on me.
नहीं, इसके अलावा मैं आपको और पूछूंगा भी नहीं, बिकॉज आई एम श्योर कि ऑडियंस को भी वो सस्पेंस चाहिए. सो इसके आगे मैं पूछूंगा नहीं. इन द मूवी, who are you paired opposite, or is there any scenario where there is a hero heroine? Because बिजॉय की फिल्मों में अक्सर there is not guaranteed कि ऐसा होगा भी कि नहीं होगा, but is there a scenario? And if yes,
Correct. इसमें I am paired opposite Jim Saad and I have the bromance with him. He is playing my best chaddi buddy in the movie, and his love interest is being played by Kritik Harbanda. So they are paired opposite each other. And then there is Harshvardhan Rane and Sanjida Sheikh. Sanjida making a Bollywood debut with this one, and she's done a fantastic job. They are paired opposite each other. So basically, everybody is paired opposite each other. Apart from me, I don't have any girl in the movie. I don't have any pairing. But हो गया यार. बिजॉय को लगा होगा they need the support I don't.
Yeah, true. When it comes to thrillers in general, if you would go down Bollywood, because Bollywood is what this is one genre that Bollywood has been pretty good in, which is thrillers, dating back right from Vijay Anand films and Raj Khosla films. They have been very good in thrillers. So, what are the thrillers that have stuck with you as a viewer? Any of those movies have been close to your heart?
You know, one of the edgiest one was in my recent memory. I would call Wazir again. I will have to again take Bijoy's name here because Wazir is one film that I really love. David is another one that I loved. Solo. It stars. It is again Bijoy Nambia film, but it stars Dilkar Salman, and that is an amazing story. Then Shaitan is also one of the best, which I like. Then Dawn 2 and Dawn, which Farhan directed, super slick, super edgy, very contemporary. Even today, they are contemporary. And even the earlier Dawn, what an amazing film that was, worthy of being remade. You know, कि यार क्या scope है इस movie में, what a screenplay, what characters, and yeah, I think Burning Train has also been very interesting. मैं तो मतलब इतनी सारी मूवीज हैं यार, थ्रिलर तो हम कितने सारे बोलते ही जाएंगे. They just, I think it's very exciting for me. It is very exciting that I didn't have a film that I could count in this genre,
Yeah.
but now I have a film, and that too, Bijoy Nambio's film. So I feel very blessed, and I feel very thankful that Bijoy had this belief in me and faith in me that I'll be able to pull off a character in one of his films. So yeah, I was very excited when I got to know that he wants to cast me in one of the characters.
So now you have done. Obviously, we have seen you in comedy. We have seen you in romance comedy. We have seen you in both types. We have seen you in family comedy, out and out slapstick comedy. Also, romance ने काफी देखा है. We've also seen you in a. I wouldn't say in a very different. What do you call it? In an anthology kind of film. Also, we have seen you in that also opposite Renuka Shahani. Yes, so that is also very good. By the way, I love that story. So, Thriller was the one missing. Now, besides that, would you say also an out and out action movie is also missing from your repertoire?
Yeah, definitely. That is one of my favorite genres यार. मतलब हम बड़े हुए एक्शन मूवीज भी देखे ना इतनी सारी. हम सबको हवा में उड़ के मारना है पर वो तो टाइगर कर रहा है अभी. तो मैं जमीन पे मारूंगा जो मैं तैश में कर रहा हूँ. बिना उड़े जमीन में मार रहा हूँ. लाइक टाइगर क्यों इतनी जान निकाल रहे तो उड़ उड़ के मार रहे हैं उसे लाइक कॉन्ट्रा एंड ऑल. मैं इधर जमीन पे मारूंगा लाइक मारियो.
True. अच्छा, when if there's some of the names you took like Dawn and Burning Train, उनमें एक खासियत थी कि maybe it was a situation of the times also कि गाने बिना गाने भले थ्रिलर जॉनर था लेकिन गाने भी बड़े अच्छे होते थे उसमें इनकलकेट किया जाता था.
करेक्ट.
think so
करेक्ट.
now that or the audience has moved on from that. अगर थ्रिलर है तो गानों का इतना स्कोप नहीं है पिक्चर में.
नहीं ऐसा तो नहीं है यार. मतलब हम लोग वी एज एन ऑडियंस इटसेल्फ मतलब हम एज द रेस और एज इंडियंस वी ऑल आर वेरी इमोशनल. हम हर चीज एग्जैजरेट करके सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. चाहे एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. चाहे वो सैडनेस हो तो हम छाती पीट के रोएंगे. खुशी हो तो हम भंगड़ा पाएंगे. ओके. हमें अगर compete करना हो कोई फेस्टिवल करने के लिए तो हम ये बोट्स चला चला के compete करेंगे एक दूसरे से. हम क्रिकेट खेलेंगे तो पीपड़ियां बजा के खेलेंगे. So we are anyways very outspoken people. We love to exaggerate our emotions. So how can our films not exaggerate such things? So, that is how the songs come into play. And definitely, and as thrillers go synonym with Bijoy, so does great music. If you see any of his albums, not just the not just the songs in the movie, but also the
AGM.
background score,
That's
the
very
kind of treatment he uses, the tracks that he's been using in the trailer and the teaser. It's just like the tip of the iceberg. And now the entire album is out and it's getting a great response. He has got artists from every corner of the country and collaborated with them to create an amazing album. There is Sona, there is Mohan, there is Jyotika, there is what do you say, Pap Dharia, there is Arman Khera, who's also a rapper, but he's also playing one of the key characters in the movie. So he has an eye for such kind of a talent, and I was really looking forward to what kind of songs he's going to actually include in the film. And now he has, two different versions. One is a film, and the other one is a web series. And I'm really excited to see the web series. Usne kya kya, what kind of soundtracks has he used in the web series, and what kind of soundtracks he's used in the film. So I'm also looking forward to that as much as the audience.
Tesh was initially slated for an theatrical release और big screen पे या जो आने वाली थी. Now obviously situations have changed. We have also become हालत के मारे how the situation is we are going along with the flow. But as an artist, as a viewer, would you have preferred to see your product on the big screen over there?
100% यार. लाइक एज एन हम फिल्में बनाते हैं तो वही होता है. विजन तो वही होती है कि बड़ी स्क्रीन पे ऐसा दिखेगा. इसलिए डिटेलिंग और ज्यादा जाती है उसमें कि यार नहीं क्या बात कर रहे हो यार. उसमें अभी 4K के भी परे हो चुका है वो. करेक्ट. आप अपने टीवी पे 4K पे देखते हो तो आपको समझ में आता है किसी का बाल यहाँ से ऐसे निकल रहा है या पसीना इधर से आ रहा है. Correct. But on the bigger screen, it is much more. That is why the team puts in so much more efforts to make sure कि बड़ी screen पे जो experience है, जब इतने बड़े चेहरे दिखेंगे screen पे, so everything should be just picture perfect, and that world really, you really get indulged into that world,
Yes.
and that is what the magic of cinema is. Unfortunately, because the pandemic, I think world over, this is a scenario right now. Theatrical releases are very limited. It's very difficult keeping the safety in mind and hygiene in mind. Luckily, they are all opening up now, and slowly and steadily, we'll see people getting back to the theaters. But to showcase a fresh content or a fresh film onto the bigger screens right now, when you are not sure whether people will actually turn up to watch it or not, it's obviously not beneficial for the distributors, exhibitors, and the producers.
Yeah.
So, and we are lucky that we have these OTT platforms, and we are thankful that G came on board. They really love the content, and they decided कि यार जब हम कर ही रहे हैं लोगों के लिए, so let's just cater to every kind of audience. Let's give people the movie, and let's also give people the series to
Yeah.
look at, and that is what is happening in this. So I'm very excited about both the formats, and on top of that, चलो theater में I know कि यार it's sad कि theater में नहीं release कर पा रहे, but if I look at the brighter side of it, the silver lining is that our movie will be watched by people in 109 different countries
Yeah.
at the same time.
Yeah.
So that's a huge exposure for the entire team, and we all are excited about that. So it's just about मतलब ये time पे तो silver lining ही देखेंगे हम, and that's the only way to move forward.
True. Yeah.
And yeah, so just hoping that the theaters really open up soon. Though we have already announced Hathi Mere Saathi, which is releasing in theaters in Jan, Makar Sankranti, and Pongal par. So yeah, looking forward to that as well.
I was coming to that also. In fact, if we could say हम लोग action की बात कर रहे थे और वो आ ही चुका है. It's a looks like a great action adventure. Obviously, the name is synonymous with one of India's most loved films. लेकिन ये एकदम अलग फिल्म लग रही है उससे जो वो पहले थी एकदम अलग फिल्म लग रही है. So if you can speak something about that also, you are being played opposite Bhallal Dev, जो everybody recognizes me as Bhallal Dev now.
No, that has been a very unique experience. Yeah. So that has been a very unique experience in terms that I got to work with Rana, and it's a trilingual where I shoot the Hindi version of it, and my role is being played by Vishnu Vishal in Tamil and Telugu version.
Nice.
And but we shot it simultaneously. It's not about dubbing. It's so I would do my Hindi shot, then Vishal would come in and he would start shooting the Tamil version. Then he would shoot the Telugu version of the same shot, and then I would see, यार ये इसने better कर दिया, मैं दोबारा करता हूँ ये वाला. And vice versa would also happen, where I would do something and he would say, यार ये इसने better कर दिया, मैं ये वाला shot करूँगा sir, can I try this? So that has been it has been a very amazing collaboration, and Rana is an encyclopedia on cinema. To be a part of a film, and not only a part of film, to be with him and sit on the set and only discuss cinema, it changes your insight. It changes your entire, outlook towards cinema. He's such a passionate person to work with.
काफी सारे stunts भी होंगे इसमें, आपने तो काफी stunts भी किए होंगे इसमें.
Tash में actually we have kept because we wanted rage to be the expression and the motivation behind all the fights and whatever stunts are happening. So Vijay has purposely kept everything very intimate and in your face. Okay, so the action is very raw, which also has chances that you'll end up hitting each other because it is too close proximity. So we had to obviously train for that. Ki yaar, acha, hum ye karenge, choreograph this properly. Then we have the action director who would work on the bike chases. There is a certain bike chase which is again a very interesting bike chase and car chase. So yeah, the sequences are really वो adrenaline rush जिसको बोलते हैं, that really happened on the set as well. So I'm sure it's coming across on the screen as well.
Okay. Now I must ask you this, Pulkit, because you are in a very perfect position to answer this. You began your journey in and you began your journey in TV with probably the most loved soap opera that is there on Indian television. And then you came into films and you made a successful transition. लेकिन आज भी especially nowadays ये काफी narrative आ गया कि TV actors को इतना अच्छा Bollywood they don't embrace them fully कि एक भेदभाव होती है. Did you ever experience that as an actor?
No, not at all. Yeah. Actually, you see, there are so many talented people who are making the crossover from television to films, and majority of this is happening. I think Ekta is one of the big reasons, who's been launching really great faces and new talent on the smaller screen, and then she also ends up making a film with them or collaborating with some other production house or referring their names to other production houses that this person is interesting, this person is good, superb work this guy does or this girl does. Mrunal, what an amazing example of the crossover. She's just fantastic. Look at her screen presence and मतलब मौके तो बहुत हैं. The only thing is that you should be working hard enough to really make sure that you earned it, and you deserve it, which happens with everybody. It has nothing to do with you coming from television or you coming from nowhere. It's or you coming from the industry. Within the industry, you still have to prove yourself. You still have to work hard, and you still have to, prove that you really deserve being here.
I'm very glad that you said that. I'm glad that the industries come together, that people, driving this false agenda, certain media houses, उनकी थोड़ी बोलती बंद हो गई है इसमें. काफी.
No, but it's a sad affair that we're facing right now. That's okay. That's okay. We're all together in it, and the entire industry stands together. So this is the home. This is the family. We'll just walk past through. We'll get past through this.
Probably the only institution in India where it's totally secure. Caste, creed, race, education, कुछ नहीं देखा जाएगा. सिर्फ talent.
That is true. आप सेट पे जाते हो, आपको इतने सारे कल्चर्स मिलते हैं यार.
Yeah.
It is so amazing. मतलब आप वहाँ पे ईद भी मनाते हो, दिवाली भी मनाते हो, आप रोजे भी खोलते हो वहाँ पर, और आप नवरात्रि का फास्ट भी रखते हो वहीं पर. आप डांडिया भी शूट करते हो, और आप मस्जिद में नमाज भी शूट करते हो. So it's just amazing how we, and गुरुद्वारा भी, in fact, हमने तो इसमें मूवी में ही गुरुद्वारे में शूट किया है. There are so many cultures, that you actually, intermingle and you learn about each other.
Okay, so before winding up, the last question is going to be a fan question. Whenever coming for one of these Zoom video interviews, हमने एक नया चीज start किया कि हम Twitter पे डालते हैं कि हम अभी बात करने वाले. So what is going to be the fan question? So among all the questions, the one that gets the majority votes, हम उनको पूछते हैं. And most of your fans who are also Kriti's fans, they are wanting to know, because it is like a wedding boom and all, they're wanting to know whether there's going to be any possibility of you all tying the knot anytime in future. ये fan question.
यार अभी पता है क्या? Seriously, both of us are concentrating on our careers. मैं एक genuine बात बताता हूँ. Like life आपके पास मौके एक बारी में फेंकती है. आप उसका जितना you make the most of it is up to you. Now at that time, जब मेरे पास एक गणेश बज़मी की फिल्म है, एक विजय नाम्बियार की फिल्म है, एक एक्सेल एंटरटेनमेंट की फिल्म है, एक इरोस इंटरनेशनल की फिल्म है, एक साउथ की ट्रायलिंगुअल है, then there is a film from Salman Khan films, then there is a film from T series. ऐसे टाइम पे अगर मैं अपनी अटेंशन काम से डाइवर्ट करके शादी के चक्कर में पड़ जाऊंगा, so I am not only harming my career aspects and prospects in that matter, but I'm also harming the other person's prospects in that matter. And I'm so proud of the work that she's doing. It really doesn't make sense for us to slow things down at work front and then get into this full-fledgedly. We are really happy together, and we are just happy that we complete each other. And when the time is right, when we really feel कि यार चलो ठीक है, थोड़ा slow down हो गया काम पे, let's focus on this so that we can move ahead. Then we'll definitely get into it. But there's nothing on the cards right per se.
But I, as an admirer of you and her both, and all your fans, Bollywood Live viewers, we wish you all a lifetime of togetherness, and also more than importantly, a lifetime, a lot of success on the screen.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Yes. So sweet.
And thank you for doing this also with us, Pulkit. I cannot wait to see Tesh. I cannot wait to see you unleashed, and probably in an avatar which we haven't seen you before. I think it's the first time we are seeing you.
Well, I'm excited too, yeah. And the response that we are getting so far, the teaser and the trailer has been phenomenal. And I just hope that people like the film as well. So looking forward to the audience reaction. 29th October, the film is going to be yours. So please do go to your TV screens or your laptops. And if you have a theater set up on the big screen and watch it, I'm going to do that. Okay, with my family, I'm going to put it on the big screen. I'm just going to watch it on my personal vehicle. It's going to be amazing.
बस सारे व्यूअर्स मैं आपसे यही कहना चाहूँगा कि इनको लगना नहीं चाहिए कि इनकी फिल्म थिएटर में रिलीज नहीं हुई है. आप लोग ऐसा धूम मचाइए कि ऐसा सुपर थिएट्रिकल रिलीज हो. Thank you, Pulkit, and a lot of happiness and success both in your personal and professional life. Thank you for again connecting.
Thank you so much, Russell. Thanks a lot. Great talking to you.
Bye-bye.